Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the kombucha probiotic drinks. Now, when I did the first version, I had only tried one brand.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
But you have to understand there are many different types of vegetables out in the world, so you have to find the kombucha drink that works for you. And as you can see from the front of this video, I've tried very many, over a dozen. I haven't put all the duplications in here, but every kombucha drink gives you something different. Some of them taste like kombucha only. Some of them taste like the liquids that they've infused in with it. So you have to try different things out. So I'm going to show you. I'm still testing, like this one here is from Hum Blackberry Kombucha, and I'm going to open this one up today. And you have to remember that when you're using these, you do not want to shake these. These have an enormous amount of fizz and they will squirt all over you. They'll make a giant mess. Oh, and this one's delicious. It's the blackberry one. Definitely a recommended one. So what you do is you try many different brands. So let me give you a small tour. I just had this one yesterday. It's called Boo Kombucha Tropical. Actually delicious. These over here, they come in many different types of, this is called Health Ad Kombucha, a bubbly probiotic superfood. For me, they just didn't have enough of the juices. Very much a probiotic, but I like to have a little bit of a juice aftertaste. These don't have it. Another one I tried here, oh that's Synergy again, is this one here. This is from Suja. This was peach ginger. This was my favorite. This was delicious. Okay, another one here is called Kavita. Kavita, I think, is a very good name brand. Well worth your money and your time. Tastes delicious. I bought a case of these, and these are called Good Belly Probiotic Infused Probiotic Beverage. I got these at Sprouts. Incredibly delicious. Well worth your time. And they were small enough that a lot of these, this is a 2-serving size. So this is a 1-serving size, and I like the 1-serving size. That way I don't have to save half my drink for later. And then over here is another one. I just tried this one. This is Living in Greta Fud, the fall edition. Probably got lucky. This was also very good. So you're going to have to try many different types of kombucha drinks to be able to see what fits your needs, what fits your taste buds. For example, I bought this one here called Light Kombucha Root Beer. I love root beer, and this is another way out where I get to have a tasty drink and my probiotics. Another one here is called GTS Kombucha. It says 25 years limited edition. They've been making kombucha for 25 years. This one's called Sacred Life. It's blue. I haven't tried it. I'll probably have that tomorrow. But I'm telling you, this is the way to go. If you want to have probiotics in your food, part of your regular diet, have one a day. I think you'll enjoy it. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.